head I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a
guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great trading day yesterday. All right. Um, man, gold. Um, I took gold uh, sales earlier on today. Once we rejected this previous support to the left, took it, then we pulled back again. I got out, and I believe my entry is right over here. And I'm in gold trade actually. This time around, I got in just by myself. And my TP is down here on gold. Dun. So far, this is the only trade I'm in personally. And I'm just gonna go ahead and secure 10 pips for myself as of right now. And we'll see what this thing does, if it's gonna continue or if it's gonna stop me out. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Demendra. Let's see what good is gonna do. Da, da. Uh-huh. The new 4-hour candle just opened here on gold. Let's take a look at NAS. Um, as of right now, so looking at NAS, if we're gonna go bullish here for London, I'm looking at something like this, continuation, or break above this highs here to the left. If we break above this resistance right now, we could go up here and then reject, but then if we retest here, then we could take the buys for continuation or buys above 10,988. It's going to depend on the trade setup today. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. So right now, NAS is in no trade. This is no trade range for me. And if we go to the 4-hour here, I'm waiting to see if this candle is going to flip bullish. If this candle flips bullish, then we'll officially have our most recent support somewhere over here. So for now, I'm waiting to see if this candle is going to flip bullish and start breaking this high. Waiting to see that on NAS. We go to US30 here. Okay, US30 flip bullish. We found it hard to actually continue here and fill up this 4-hour bearish wick. So we'll see what happens. I would like to see it continue and actually start breaking 32.98, and then we'll officially have a support right there. Today, I would actually love to trade NAS and US30. So we'll see what happens with that. The music. Uh, all right. And I've been stopped out of of gold that fast. All right. Okay, this for our flip bullish. Therefore, this is what we're looking at. Okay. All right. Now with gold, if it breaks above 1623 and gives a nice retest, then it should continue to 1627. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna trade gold today, but we shall see. My cam is frozen. Okay, give me a second, guys. My cam is frozen. Mhm. What the hell? This is way too big. For 80. Alright. There we go. Now I'm back. Oh, damn. This engulfing candle is looking nice here. Oh, nice. Damn. Okay. Yeah, this should have been the entry on US30. We missed it already. Wow. Well, I was trying to fix my cam, so we missed this one. It should continue there. This should continue. Alright, so let's see if NAS is gonna actually break above this. Let me go to the 4 hour. Now this is our support here. Back to the 5. Man, yeah, we missed our move on this buys. Man, this should have been a good one. You're expecting US30 to go to 3700? Let me see. Oh wow. Yeah, it is possible. It is possible. Oh man. I definitely would have taken this US30. So that would have taken NAS too. Well, we missed it. We gotta wait and see what happens to London. But did anybody catch it though? Did anyone catch it? This is a very nice trade here with a potential risk to reward though. But if we pull back, right? If we pull back, then we could still have an entry here. If we pull back, same thing on US30 actually. So let's see if this thing is gonna pull back here. It says that taking out this engulfing candle would have given us a nice and better stop loss. If we pull back, that would be nice, and we're gonna potentially fill up these candles right here to the left. Just gotta see if we're gonna pull back. You can buy it from 30 to 34 on US30. Yeah. Good morning, Andre. Yeah. The question now is, can we pull back? Yep, so far it's not looking like we are gonna pull back here.
She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe.
Man. Oh, look at what we're missing, guys. I'll be securing profit now. We would have started off this Friday very nicely. I'm hoping for your pullback here. How many points has this went so far? About 150 points. US30, whew. US30 went up 300 points already. 300 points. If it doesn't pull back here, then it's going to at least go back to the previous 4-hour highs here. If it pulls back and start going up again, I'm jumping in on both NAS and US30. We're in a downtrend, but we're just trying to catch this pullback back to these 4-hour highs. And who knows, it might continue. It might continue for London and then fall again though in New York. Just like it did yesterday morning. I had a late entry yesterday, so I got clapped on NAS yesterday morning. Took buys. Completely missed the sales. But then I got in again for the sales, so later. Yeah, see you, Crucial. We need to see if we're gonna reject over here. Oh, good morning, Akiba. How you doing? Question is this rejection gonna hold? Or are we gonna break below? That's the question. Oh, that's good, Akiba. I really want to trade NAS and US30 today. That's my goal for today. We are kind of rejecting though. Oh, US30 broke below it. If NAS breaks above this resistance here, this 5-minute resistance, then that's a good sign. I'm gonna jump in the buys on NAS. Alright, this candle got 2 minutes to close. See if it's gonna get all the way up here. Oh, very nice, John. Very nice. Nice. Gold eventually came back down. Gold eventually came back down. That's crazy. If you break these new lows here on NAS, we gonna head down. If you break that lows. This might not even hold, but we'll see. Yeah, I traded New York, John. Uh, I got caught up in the buys initially, but then I took the sells afterwards. So I pretty much ended up making back what I lost. New York. I had a late entry. I think where was it? Okay. So yesterday, NAS just kept on putting me in a range. Now I got in before we started forming this supply. When I saw that we was forming this supply, that was when I should have got out. So I got in when this engulfing candle here, when it started engulfing this minor resistance here. That was when I got in. Stop loss was below this low. So when this bearish candle started breaking the most recent low it formed here, that was when I got out. And then I took my sell down here. Took my sell down here. Stop loss above this candle. And then I got out at this support here. I basically got out at the New York lows. Yeah, that was my trade yesterday. You know how sometimes you will see the opposite of your trade happening, but you'll be like, let me leave it. You start like questioning, thinking, like, I think this should still go my way. This should still go my way. But when I saw this triple top here, that was when I should have got out. But I still left it alone. But overall, still a good session. So NAS is trying to break these new lows. If it breaks that, then I'm gonna delete all this. Once it start crossing above these new highs, oh, okay, all right, not gonna happen. All right, buys is not happening. See how this candle is gonna close though. Oh, okay. Then close above, we flip bullish. Man, I wanna trade NAS and US30. Man, and I swear this this trade better go my way. Oh, Oh my God, this thing won't let me check US30. I kept on clicking buys on freaking US30, it just wouldn't freaking work. Oh man. I don't know what's wrong with my book. I kept on clicking buys. Let me check this thing off Wi-Fi. Okay, there we go. Am I on now? Let me put this. It's like US30 is faster, so I'm gonna leave this on US30 for now. Actually, let's use the split screen. There we go. US30 right here. And let me put NAS over here. What the hell? This is not my template. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I saved the template. I saved the template yesterday. Alright, US30 is playing games. I'm not in yet. Oh, now it's here. Where were you before? There we go. All right. Hey, Wilsberg, how you doing? Uh, it was my Wi-Fi. So I'm using my phone data right now. Man, but this thing is playing games though. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I don't like how it's creating all these weeks, and if it eventually continues, it just continues. I'll wait for London. I don't like how it's creating all these weeks. It's not encouraging. But this candle has 1 minute to close. We're in this 4 hour range anyway, so I'm just gonna wait. Oh, so I don't like how it's creating all these weeks. When the previous candle actually engulfed, that was when it should have continued. Nope, no GJ, John. No currency pairs. Alright, I like how this candle here actually closed. So if US30 continues, I'm just gonna take NAS instead. Since I did kind of miss the entry I'm looking at here for US30. What the hell? That's it. My thought on S&P 500 is probably the same as NASA and US30 right now. My cam froze again. NAS and US30 has to continue at this point. This has to continue going up. Oh, uh, all right. 100 points. So what's this? 160 points secured on NAS. Let's see those W's. If you took US30, do the same. All right. 200 points on US30. 200 points on US30 and 160 on NAS. If you took both trades, let's see those W's. If you took one, let's see the W's as well. We're getting runners here. We're getting runners here. Damn, nobody took these trades. Nobody took these trades. I need 300 more points from NAS here. $40 more points and I'm there. I'm getting ready for the sales too, Nicholas. I am getting ready for the sales. If we reject the supply, I'm taking both US30 and NAS. I'm getting ready. That would be nice if this thing can just add to this supply before London open in 10 minutes. See if it's just gonna retest these highs or just continue. US30 is close to that freaking high. I actually will be surprised if NASA and US30 eventually break out of this supply. But both US30 and NAS, this was a nice sell on US30. 1,000 points on US30 for this sell. And NAS almost 500 points. I got to include this. That's 25 wins. 200 plus 160, that's 360. You got it on GJSL, very nice. What's this? 341, 343. Testing. I would have secured 300 points by now, but for whatever reason, my spread today on NAS was big. US30 is still rejecting these previous highs. See if it closes below it. Obviously, if it continues dropping, then NAS is going to continue dropping. Yep. Now, when London opens and we're still dropping, obviously we can't take sales. At that point, I'm still going to be looking for buys on. I'll be looking for more buys right here. We'll see. I'll wait for London to open before I do that analysis. Because right now we didn't get close to this supply. I mean, we kind of did. But I won't be getting in this sale right now, except, all right, except if we do this. The way we're coming down right now, so we come down, reject somewhere here, or reject where we are right now, and go back up and start rejecting again, then I'll be looking for the sales to come back to this support. You saw US30 is going. What size do I trade with? Just know the standard lot size. US30 didn't get close to the supply at all. So that's still making me think we're probably gonna continue pushing up, probably when London opens. For those of you that's been asking me if I trade live during New York session with my private mentorship, the answer now is yes, but that's not gonna start until next month. Um, but it should be November 1st. But November 1st, I will be going back home to Houston, so it's not gonna start until November 2nd, and November 2nd is on a Wednesday. So starting from November 2nd, uh, myself and the private mentorship, we will be trading New York session live via Zoom. Okay, stepped out of US30, and obviously the live stream is still gonna continue during London session, and we trade live during New York. Still NASA and US30. I'm going straight up indices. Told myself I wouldn't trade gold either anymore, but I did earlier, so I got to stick to that. Let me see. I think I've been stopped out of NAS too. Yeah, we're dropping hard. No longer the rejection zone now. As of right now, I'm still looking for buys. As of right now, since we didn't get to this supply, except if we break below this support, then I'll look for sales. Ah, very nice, John. Very nice. Just waiting to see where we're gonna reject at this point. If we do not come down some more here, I'm gonna wait and see if we're gonna break out of this supply on NAS. But US30 still has some room to go back up to that supply if we eventually reject. So if we do reject here, I'll take more buys here on US30, except if NAS pushes down some more. I needed to push down some more though. Because right now, NAS is rejecting at this resistance. Is that rejection gonna hold? I don't want it to. I want it to drop down some more. Because if it holds, then my entry will be at this candle, bearish candle open. About 200 points. Mm. Not bad. We'll see. Karim, this is the 5 minute time frame. Is it still falling, John? GJ still falling? Oh, nice. Oh man, I love trades like that. No drawdowns. I love trades like that. But you don't get those often. Go just range in here. I'm gonna go back to the single chart, guys, and just keep watching both of them. The T's are high now. Most recent high on US30. Highs on NAS. Exactly, John. Exactly. You get in and it just keeps going your way. I don't think there was a drawdown on this US30 and NAS buys either. I don't think there was a drawdown. Oh, this rejection makes sense. This rejection makes sense. Damn. Main candle. Well, gold is ranging surprisingly. If you break these lows here, I'm moving this down here. Maybe we'll get some buys coming here. We'll see. I was considering taking it here, but if we break here, then we'll see what happens when we get down here. When we get down to 302.40, 302.30. Um, Same thing on NAS. That's even if it gets there. I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize I was on mute. Yeah, I said NAS should go up and fill up all these gaps here, so we'll see what happens. The question is, are we gonna break these highs now? That's the $1 million question. But and like I said, I would have taken these buys, but it was too late for me. So we'll see how we react once we get here, once we get to this level. So I'm not in this trade. How many pips is this? This should be at least 100. Yep. 150. 150 points. That's just one candle. One candle, 150 points. Trading Indies on the higher time frame, man. I'm not saying you cannot trade it on the higher time frame, but man, your stop loss is gonna be freaking huge as hell. Like 30 minutes and above, your stop loss is gonna be high as hell. So 5 minute, 15 minute, yeah. Anything higher than that, you're gonna have a very high stop loss. Man, oh man. When I see trades like this and I'm not in it, I be like, man, oh man, why did I miss this? Should have been in it. Yeah. If US30 is going up, NAS is going up. If it's falling, NAS is falling. So right now I'm just waiting to see how we're gonna react once we get to this zone here. Can you guys hear me now though? For the GJ lovers, yep, just like I said. GJ, just wait and see how it reacts at 168, 500. Man, we're pushing up. Wow. Secure your profit. Stay in it. Secure your profit and stay in it. Check partials. Move stops to break even. At this point, if we break out of here, I'm gonna wait for some kind of retest. before I jump in. But I would have loved to get in down here, man. Damn. Wow. You got to be kidding me. Are you guys seeing this? Wow, where are we at now? What the hell? 400 points. Yep. Karim, I told you not to get out. Good thing you didn't get out, right? Stay in it. If in US30 buys, man, stay in it. Stay in it. Your entry was down here, so you ain't got nothing to worry about. Good morning, Sparkle B. NASA and US30, Sparkle B. Man, oh man. Wow. Let me go to the 4 hour. If I was in these buys, honestly, I'm not getting out until it gets to 11135 on NAS. You can see I'm greedy. Woo! 1,500 points if this thing gets all the way up there. Wow. Anyone took NAS? I missed it, but did anyone take it? Now I just gotta wait for some type of retest and continuation. See where this thing is gonna retest. See where it's gonna retest. Very nice. Ah, really? 3 pips away from hitting your stop loss? We're steady pulling back too. If you took that US30, I hope you took partials already and your stop loss is at break even. Okay, we're rejecting here. That makes sense. No, I didn't see gold move. The gold drop or it went up? Oh, I'm gonna cancel this new long position too. If we uh, if we close below this, especially if we start closing below this previous highs. If we come back to the previous high and reject, that will even be better. Better entry, better stop loss. EJ paid good. That's fine. I mean, since GJ went up, I'm pretty sure uh, Egypt went up too. I would have taken this buys though, but obviously wasn't looking at it. I mean, NASA and US30 already paid some money, and then it paid again for those that took US30 again. I've only taken them once today, so I'm trying to get in again. And this time around, if we stay rejecting here, um, we could actually get a runner. So runners might be incoming. We'll see. That's if we start going up again. I mean, if it comes back down to 11,000, so if it stays rejecting where it's at, it's gonna continue bullish because you gotta realize that we have a previous high at 11,015. So if it stays rejecting where it's at right now, it's gonna continue pushing up. It shouldn't come down. So right now I would like to see at least one bullish candle closure. But if we have a single bullish candle closure and we start crossing this resistance we've created here, I'm gonna take it. But if it comes down and break this previous 4-hour highs here, then my final place to look for buys is where we rejected, where we went up, right here. That will be where I'll look for buys. So we just gotta be patient here. Hopefully it comes back to demand. I mean, we'll see. I just have like possible areas that could actually turn demand here. It might necessarily not come all the way back down to the previous demand. It could create another demand area right here. Just like the sales did like yesterday morning, created supply here at the top. So we just gotta wait and see. Man, I wish I didn't miss this first entry here. This was a very, very nice rejection here. This candle closes in 2 minutes. In my own opinion, supply and demand is better than a breakout strategy. That's just my own personal opinion. Yeah, John, that makes the both of us missed out. But hey, we're trying to catch it now. We're trying to make sure we don't miss it this time around. Yep, I won't hesitate too. That's why my eyes is glued to the charts right now. My eyes are glued to this NAS100 charts right now. I actually trade both, John, but for the past month or two now, I've been trading supply and demand. But I used to trade NAS just on my own with the private mentorship, obviously. Even before I started my private mentorship, I was trading NAS on my own, only NAS, um, and I've always used supply and demand on NAS. I never use breakouts on NAS. And the crazy part is my win rates are way, way much better on NAS. But the strategy works on US30 too. Yeah, facts. Supply and demand just gives you better entry compared to breakouts. For example, just take a look at NAS right now. Now, if we didn't miss this entry, we would be up. Probably, I definitely would have secured 500 points because this thing went up almost 600 points from this entry, right? So let's say you secured 500 points already. Already. If you were a breakout trader, you would have been waiting for closures. Now you just be looking for entry. But meanwhile, supply and demand, if you check the trade from this demand area, you're already 500 points in, already in the bag, secured. So that's the difference between, if I feel like that's the main difference between supply and demand and breakouts. And with supply and demand, you tend to avoid fake outs. Because you're not taking closures entry. Now, I'm not saying breakout strategy does not work. It absolutely works. It works 100%. Supply and demand, supply and demand is just better. Where do you know where to place supply and demand zones? Um, I'm actually gonna have to do a video on that when I once I get back to Houston on Tuesday. Probably drop that video in a week or two. My private mentorship, that's basically all we really talk about, supply and demand. You know, we talk about that every single week, trying to make sure we perfect our skills. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. And there's a way you draw your zone as a supply and demand trader. For example, this zone here, this support we have right here. Let me just give you a brief explanation. And if you want more, you probably join the private mentorship. Now, this low we have here. Now, this is how you draw your zone here. So you see these highs we have right here. You draw your zone from that top to this low, and you can simply drag it all the way to the left if you want, and boom, that's your zone. That's your zone. And you see what happened here with this NAS. It came back down, boom, all the way down, tapped it, and boom, we went up. So every time price came back down to this level, to this area, we went back up. We went back up. We went up here, and then we went up here. So that's why I'm only looking for buys at this point until we break below this area, 10940, until we break below that. Now, if NASA went up to this zone, then I will be looking for sales. But since we didn't do that, I'm only looking for buys until we break below 10940. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So far, I'm loving this. Let's see what happens. Man, if we come down here and reject, man, this bias is gonna be good. Especially if we have nothing but bearish candles. This is about to be good, guys. This is about to be good. If we come down with nothing but bearish candles, we reject this zone here. Oh man, I'm looking for buys straight up. I'm taking buys straight up. Straight up. How do we do this zone here? So we created this high here. Just gonna delete this. See what NAS is gonna do. How you say my mentorship is expensive? See, my mentorship is probably the cheapest. Yep, but yeah, it's 150 a month. And you can cancel anytime you want. Plus now you get a weekly webinars and starting from November 1st, like I said earlier, no, not November 1st because I'm going back to Houston November 1st. On November 2nd, we'll be trading New York session together live, not sending signals. So free live streams on for London, and we trade New York session together. But the session is not gonna start until, so you know that the market opens at um, 8:30 a.m. EST. So market opens at 8:30 a.m. EST, but I like all the craziness to be over, so I don't start looking for my trades until 8:45. Between 8:45 and 9:30, right? And 9:30, we should be in a trade. Between 8:45 and 9:30, we should be in a trade. That's what I like to do when I trade indices during New York. We might even break below this demand area today because the overall trend is bearish. Oh, who knows? Maybe we'll see a trend change just for today. And then maybe we'll close bullish today. Let's go to the daily. Look at the daily time frame. We have been closing bearish since October 19. We've been closing bearish. So 2-3 days ago, we've been closing bearish. Well, who knows? We might close bullish today. You never know. What did GJ do? Oh man. If you look at GJ, what I was expecting us to do when it started going up was reject. That's exactly what GJ did here. So I was looking for NAS to come to this level and reject. That was where I would have been looking for my sales. But it didn't do that today. Okay. Is this level gonna hold? See if this level is gonna hold. Alright, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, I strongly recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use your MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Hanko Trade, there are two different account types that I do recommend. You can either go with ECN if you have less than $1,000 to deposit, or you can go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000 to deposit. Now, Anchor Trade spread start from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, and very good low commission as well. And you can actually sign up to get a matching deposit bonus. But if you do, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200, not more than 1 to 200. So if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. Or if you don't have at least $100 but you have $10, then you can go with the STP account type. The minimum deposit is $10, but the spread starts from 0.7 pips, and your maximum leverage is 1 to 500. So you can use my link down below in the description. Oh, Nas man, I like your name. Good morning. You took an aggressive entry on Nas just now. You took buys now. If you took buys, you should have waited, John. Oh, small, small risk. All right. I'm not expecting it to break this demand, but as we all know, we're in a downtrend overall, so we could break below it. But I'm not expecting it to break. But we've came down now, and we tapped it. Now this candle is trying to flip bullish, so we'll see how this candle closes. So as long as we in this box, as long as we're in this box, we're still looking for buys until we break below. Until we break below this box. GJ is probably still falling, yeah, man. GJ trading days, this is a nice sell for me. My GJ trading days. Oh, very nice. Very nice, Nicholas. I just wanted to wait for the buys. Seems like a better option. And if we eventually break below this demand area, then it just simply means my bullish bias was wrong. Yep, that's what it's doing. But if we close like this or we push up more just a little bit, I think the next candle should be bullish. Closes in 1 minute though. If it pushes a little bit more and close, then the next candle should be a bullish candle. Yeah, so if we eventually close below this demand, Nicholas, next candle open bullish. Let's see what's gonna happen. Um, if we close below this demand area, man, oh man, we could get to freaking 10,852 or 10,809. It's trying to reject the same place, the same area it rejected previously. Yeah, you never know. That's why I said we could. That's why we could if that's why I said we could if we break below this demand area. As of right now, I really don't see that happening. But we just gotta wait and see. As we all know, at the end of the day, the market is always gonna do whatever it wants to do. It doesn't care about you and I. It doesn't care about nobody. And basically what we're trying to do here is nothing but trying to trade this 4 hour range. We didn't have breakout to the upside and we didn't have no breakouts to the downside. So we're still trying to trade a 4 hour range. So if we stay rejecting this demand area and we're able to take buys and we eventually break out of these 4 hour highs, man, that's gonna be freaking impressive. More money in the bank. I kind of like the way the previous candle closed, but I would have loved it if it had pushed up a little bit more. So we'll see. So right now the previous candle is somewhat of a rejection candle. Now this candle that we're on right now, I'm waiting to see how this candle closes. If it closes doji, next candle should be a bullish one, no doubt. If this new candle closes doji, the next candle should be bullish. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. I'm still, even if the next candle opens bullish, I'm gonna wait for it to close. I'm gonna wait for it to close before I take the buys. And that means my entry probably will be somewhere around here. Probably. Depending on how the first bullish candle closes. Nope, 5 minute. Okay, bullish doji candle close. I would have liked if it had closed bearish. Yep, printed a doji. First sign that we might go up. That's number one sign. But if it had closed bearish doji, I would have given this like 80%. If this previous candle closed bearish doji. Right now, I'm at 50%. Now this new candle, I'm waiting to see how it closes. Waiting to see how this new candle closes before I give my 100% bias on this. Yeah, getting in right here, this is an aggressive entry if you did. It could go your way, but you know. So this is an aggressive entry right now. Obviously, you will have a better stop loss. This is kind of better than a freaking spike up. Let's see. Oh, damn, what's my stop loss gonna be? Maybe I will move my entry down. We'll see. See how this candle closes first. See how this candle closes. I would like to see this candle close above 109.70. We're gonna have 300 point stop loss. Yeah, Zodiac FX, we could continue down. I'm not disputing that, but as long as we where we at right now and inside this box, I'm still looking for buys. Even if you go look at the 4 hour, each time we came down here, we went up. Each time we came down there, we went up. So, could today be the day that we eventually gonna break below it? Who knows? But until that happens, I'm looking for buys. Do I know Doyle Exchange? I don't know him personally, but yes, I know who he is. I mean, I'm a Forex YouTuber, so I mean, I should know some of them if I don't know them personally. Trust me, a lot of forex videos be popping up on my YouTube homepage. So looking at NAS right now, like I said earlier, I would like to see a decent closure above 10970. So right now, I'm just waiting. Oh, really, John? Nice. Yeah, E-Trade supply and demand. Does he trade any other pairs aside from NAS? If he does, I think NAS is his like major pair though. I might be wrong, I don't know. But I've seen a couple of his videos and he talks a lot about NAS, so that's why I'm like maybe NAS is his major pair. Like, if you have let's say, three pairs that you trade, you're gonna have one favorite. You're gonna have that one that is at the top. So maybe NAS this is number one. Some traders only trade indices. Yep, that's what I'm trying to stick to from now on. Oh, NAS is his main pay. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I guess that's why he talks a lot about NAS. If this candle can flip bullish and close above 10970, we should go up. You close in 2 minutes. Make sure you close above. Just close above. Even if it closes and the wick is longer than the body, we should continue pushing up from here as of right now. Fourth candle should be a bullish candle, boys and guys. Fourth candle should be a bullish candle. So I'm getting ready. Let me sit upright. Ah, come on. Alright, if we close this like this, well, trying to close doji again. So we got so if we close doji now, so now we'll have three doji candles. still gotta wait. Good morning, Andre. We still gotta wait. You see how we go to this level and then we're now struggling? We go to this level and now we're now struggling. What does that tell you? Alright, he's breaking that lows now. Yeah, GJ fell. Go to the previous low. Rejected. Let me see. If I was gonna take GJ, just in case it keeps rejecting here. Obviously, I'm not trading it. My entry would be something like this if I was gonna trade it. Alright, if we stay in here, see how this candle is gonna close. Oh yeah, Joe, you did say you took the aggressive buy entry. Well, the sellers have the upper hand right now. Oh, damn, you a steady book. You a steady book. See a 1 hour demand area here. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this 1 hour demand area here. I'm sure people like John see it. US30. Right here. Demand area here. Let's see what US30 is gonna do right there. Alright. I'm worried about this zone here to the left. I check the sell now and get faked out. All right. All right. NAS looks better if it breaks below, but US30 has that 1 hour demand area right here. Well, it didn't break it yet. Zodiac FX. It didn't break it yet. If we start pushing up, all what this did here was to give me my entry zone. That's all. Nothing but my entry zone. It didn't break it yet. It has to break it and then close below. Then you still gotta freaking retest it before I take any sales. So who knows? If this thing does not go up, I might not even take any trade here before I end this stream, because even if it still breaks below, it's still, for me to take sales, still has to break below, give me some type of retest for me to take the sales. And US30 though, I think we could see buyers coming at this at that 1 hour demand area, demand zone. That's why I moved this zone to the 1 hour demand zone. You got to understand supply and demand to know why I'm looking for buys right now. And you got to understand the reason why I'm only going to take sales if we break, give me some type of retest, then create a support for me to take a sell. Thank you, time trader. If we start pushing up here, I might have a better stop loss, but I'm just gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. So let's see if this thing is gonna break below. All right, looks like we are breaking below here. All right, now I'm gonna wait for my retest. Hey, good morning, Samantha. Now I need a bullish candle closure below this zone for me to get in sales here. Uh, No bullish candle closure for me. I'm not looking for no sales. And it has to reject this zone. Then I will take sales. US30 has to break below this 1 hour demand zone. Uh, then I will consider sales. But definitely wasn't expecting NAS to drop like this though. Not to talk of breaking this zone here. I said definitely not looking for buys now. Yeah, I'm with you on that one for now. I'm trying to be very careful here because this thing has dropped what? This thing has dropped almost 1,000 points already. So I need that retest rejection candle, and it has to be a bullish candle for me to take sales. If I don't see it, if I don't get it, I'm not taking nothing. Zero trade. I already made some money earlier with it, so I'm not trying to give it back. I'm just saying. Not trying to give it back. I'm stingy today. Oh man, you're absolutely right, John. You're absolutely right. And I mean, big one too. And I hope I freaking catch it. If he doesn't do it now, you know the crazy part is, even though we've kind of broken below this demand area here, NAS could still create a demand area below this freaking zone. I'm sure you guys know that, right? It could create a demand below this zone. You gotta be very, 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 very careful. That's why with that's why with US30, I'm not looking for sales until it breaks below this 1 hour demand area here to the left. Nope, this is not the bullish candle I'm looking for. Not looking for a doji bullish candle closure. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. GJ is getting ugly. After this push down, now it's getting ugly. Right now, I just need to see one bullish engulfing candle. Just one. I don't take any trades right now. I'll just look for, trades there in New York. So it's almost 4 a.m. CST. Maybe that's when the new buys will come in because the new 4-hour candle is about to open. If that new 4-hour candle opens bullish, then we could continue bullish. If it opens bearish, then we could continue bearish. And it opens in 12 minutes. DJ's too nasty here. Oh, okay, US30. All right, NAS. But why would you should do it at like 10:355 or something? Because I'm gonna wait for the new 4-hour candle at this point. And if I miss it, I just miss it. It is what it is. But I am gonna wait for the new 4-hour candle at this point. We do have a minor resistance here. And we do have a support on resistance here. So if we closes above 30211 before the new 4-hour candle open, then I'll look for entry at 3248. Just because of the new 4-hour candle. It opens in 10 minutes. So like I said, this point waiting for the new 4-hour candle to open. without the 4-hour candle right now, I will be looking to take sales below this low, stop loss above the most recent high. But before I do this, I gotta wait for the 4-hour candle. And I got 7 more minutes. But I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour candle. If that play happens when the new 4-hour candle opens, then I'll jump in. Because we could just be freaking creating a demand right here. Alright, 5 more minutes. The 4-hour candle. And then we'll see what happens. I'll be back, guys. I'll be right. Yes. All right. That's not gonna work. It's officially sales now. Officially sales, guys. So on that note, now you can take sales after this candle closes. So this is not holding. This should drop now. This should drop. See how this candle is gonna close. And then boom, you can take the sales. You already in? I mean, I said wait for this candle to close. I said wait for this candle to close. Yeah, so wait for this candle to close. All right, so he wants to play games. Now we pull back into this freaking zone. Sometimes you get good moves though in London. Sometimes it just be crappy. This is why I told you guys to wait. So now he's just playing games. Uh, he's still in this zone. That's why my buy entry was gonna be above the zone. Um, and for the sales, so I said wait for that bearish candle to close, even though even though it was engulfing uh, below this zone. Just wait for it to close. Yeah, NAS did the same thing. I mean US30 now, even US30 is trading above that zone. If I catch both of them, I will take my US30 off there. My stop loss. Take my entry up there. No matter what happens, either US30 or NAS, wait for it to close below this zone here for sales. And for buys above this freaking resistance, because now we just freaking want to start ranging. So now we could go up or we could go down. We're creating demand here. Same thing on NAS. We are creating demand here. So break and close below this low buys. The same thing if you want to, I mean sells, and then the same thing if you want to take buys above this zone. Yeah, John. That's what NAS does sometimes. So this entry you guys took today on NAS for this sale, I've taken it a couple of times this week. Sometimes it worked, but this week so far, most of the time it did not work. So it does that sometimes because that was an engulfing candle, should have continued dropping. That big bearish candle should have closed below and then just continue. And the way I'm looking at NAS right now, the best entry, if we're gonna push up, it's gonna be somewhere right here, the previous resistance. So if we're coming down, just wait for closure. I'm trying to see what's gonna do here in the next 15 to 20 minutes before I end this stream. And I'll take both of them and I'll just let it do what it do. What NASA and US30 is doing right now is looking similar to what it did though in New York over here before it eventually dropped. So we'll see. So for me to take sales here, I'm gonna need it to close below. Uh, Trying to finish Friday's one. Take two of them. This is this gonna be? Let's see. Oh, Finn, you took this sale before. Where did you take this sale before? Sales, wait for that closure below here. Yeah, but at this point it could go either way, man. It could go either way. If this candle closes below, it has 2 more minutes. I'm gonna take this sale with you guys. All right, same thing as US30, and I'm actually probably gonna increase my lot size here. So to sell this. Uh, the entry here. Candle closes in 1 minute. At this point, it should drop. Hi, it's a gaming indices. It's playing too many games over here. No, I'm not in yet. I'm watching it on my broker, and I have this zone on there. I'm not in yet. Man, oh man. Nice, nice, nice. I'm not in yet, John. This candle closes in. uh, Come on, man. Just drop and let me get in. Stop wasting my time if you're gonna drop. You said, oh dear, now speak aside. We're still kind of in that freaking zone. But the fact that we've now broken these freaking lows here, it should drop. Look at the 1 hour. 15, 30. Hmm. Uh, oh, you took the sales already? Oh, man, hopefully this thing falls. Because I've taken position, I've taken an entry like this before. The same way, probably when you got in, but it was buys and boom, went the other way. Yo, you went in with a small lot size. Yeah, that's better. And then if you start dropping, then you can get in again if you want to. But if you start breaking above this recent highs, then I'm switching to buys real quick. Which is what I was looking for in the first place to begin with. How many trades? 2 to 3. Man, that would be unfortunate if it does that. That would be very unfortunate. After this freaking clean move to the downside, now we started playing games. Wow. Alright, Moses. See you on Monday, maybe. Now, if you're gonna fall, why would you freaking go back into the range? Now it's just playing games. But If we start breaking above this range there, I'm gonna freaking check buys. You see how US30 did not break below that freaking 1 hour demand? It hasn't break below that 1 hour demand yet. Whatever it does here, I'm not taking sales until it gets below that freaking low. I don't trust it where it's at right now. Dun, 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 dun. John, are you still in? Uh,
show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a cupboard, let me get to you clean, let me proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, nice baby, turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood